बढ़त देख रहे थे कल, जिस तरह से शानदार सेट ऑफ नंबर्स कंपनी ने पेश किए। इन नंबर्स पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ नेटवर्क 18 के ग्रुप सीईओ बी साई कुमार जी जुड़ चुके हैं। हाय साहिब, गुड मॉर्निंग। सबसे पहले आपसे यही जानना चाहता हूँ, ऑपरेशनली काफी अच्छे सेट ऑफ नंबर्स इस बार पेश हुए हैं, मार्जिन में इतनी अच्छी बढ़त कहाँ से आई है?
Very good morning to you. My apologies, I'll have to speak in English. Well, almost all the margins are coming from that one revenue stream that we've been talking about and building for the last 1.5 years, which is our distribution income. We look at a metric called net distribution income, which is really the payment that we get from households minus the carriage that we pay the cable operators. Now that has grown about 140-150%, and that's really been the constant theme in TV18's results. So all the hard work that you do and all the households have started paying us, and this money has started reaching us, so that's good news. The second line that is working very well is our international business for Colors and MTV, and in the last 2 quarters even for News 18, which is launched in a couple of markets. So the ad sales and subscription there is seeing a very good spike. Viewers are loving these channels. And the third set, which is advertising, so I'm just, sorry for coming in with all the three, but continues to be a bit soft. Advertising continues to be a bit soft, but I must also say that when we started off last year, we had given a guidance saying it's going to be bleak or there's going to be degrowth. We are seeing some green shoots. You will see some improvement in Q4, but I think you will see a bounce back next fiscal for sure.
ओके, besides also मैं क्या समझना चाहती हूँ कि डिजिटाइजेशन हमने देखा, सब्सक्रिप्शन रेवेन्यूज हैव गॉन अप सब्सटैंशियली। कितना बड़ा ट्रिगर है हमारी कंपनी के लिए डिजिटाइजेशन?
वेल, काफी बड़ा ट्रिगर है क्योंकि हमारे जो मार्जिन्स है, आवर अटेम्प्ट इज टू एंश्योर दैट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आवर एडवर्टाइजिंग रेवेन्यूज टेक केयर ऑफ कॉस्ट्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रेवेन्यूज, दैट इज NDI, goes directly into profits. Well, that's the way we want to be building the broadcast business. In the past, we didn't have distribution income to talk about. But if you look at this quarter, most of our distribution revenues have gone into our margins. So as advertising revenues improve, and we see that improving a bit, as costs are getting managed, you know that early last year we took a fairly large cost management exercise. Now with all of this, I see distribution income going only into a profit. So it's almost like it's going to be a simple annuity income, improving our margins year on year.
आपने एडवर्टीजमेंट रेवेन्यूज की बात करी, ये जो तिमाही है, खासकर चौथी तिमाही, ये भी अच्छी मानी जाती है क्योंकि काफी सारे कंपनीज और काफी सारे इलेक्शंस के ऊपर स्पेंडिंग होती हुई नजर आई। आपसे थोड़ा सा आगे का आउटलुक जानना चाहता हूँ। क्या वो सारा पैसा आपने कुछ उसमें से तीसरी तिमाही में भी आता हुआ दिखा है, कुछ कैंपेन का पार्ट, या फिर चौथी तिमाही यहाँ पे काफी अच्छी बम्पर हो सकती है, जिस तरह से काफी सारी कंपनीज अब स्पेंडिंग बढ़ाती हुई नजर आएंगी और काफी सारे इलेक्शन के कैंपेन्स आते हुए नजर आएंगे?
You see, there's a change in sentiment. In the past, we heard advertisers being a bit reticent. I think that's opening up. Everybody is extremely positive about elections and life after elections, so that too is a risk because it's life after elections. We don't know these. There are too many variables there. But that said, let me tell you that Q3 is typically the strongest quarter for broadcast. Q4 is very strong for your channel because of the union budget.
Exactly.
But there is no union budget this year. There's a voting account, which is good, but it's not as big as the budget. So that said, I'll repeat what I said earlier. I see a improvement into Q4 and next fiscal. And for channels like you, and by next fiscal we'll have 4 CNBC channels: CNBC Awaaz, TV18 Gujarati, and our HD channel. Next year we'll have 2 union budgets. One hopefully in July, August, the other back to the cycle in Feb. So that should see an even better growth for channels like you.
बिल्कुल सर, क्योंकि हम आउटलुक की बात कर रहे हैं और न्यू चैनल्स की आपने बात की, क्या ये एक फाइट हो सकता है क्योंकि ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट फिर कंपनी के ऊपर जाएगी, तो क्या वहां पर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क दिख रहा है या फिर वे कॉन्फिडेंस?
No, Ishlin, I think it's a very good question. In the past, the markets have punished us for expanding too rapidly. So therefore we went into a period of sannyas where we said that we'll focus only on profitability. But we are at the crossroads where our profits have started coming in, but there's also a huge amount of opportunities in the broadcast space. So we are now looking at only those expansion projects where there will not be investment losses, or investment losses will be minimal. So this time we continue with our profit guidance, and we believe that our operating performance will more than make up for any investment losses from new projects.
इसके अलावा एंटरटेनमेंट ऑपरेशंस में भी हमने देखा है अच्छा ट्रैक्शन देखने को मिला है, वहां से आगे का आउटलुक क्या है?
If you look at entertainment, and this will interest you because I'm sure you guys watch a lot of our movies and watch Colors and MTV and so on, all our broadcast channels have done extremely well. I must say here that our performance in entertainment could have been even better if our motion pictures business had done well. Unfortunately, a few of our movies didn't do as well. Also, motion pictures is not as core a business for us as broadcast is. So I see that fundamentally broadcast is improving. Even after getting in motion pictures, Viacom 18 has managed to come out with an excellent profit number. So next year, hopefully, our motion picture losses will be further reduced. We are taking some management steps there. And all the good performance of broadcast will be visible to investors.
इसके अलावा आपसे ये भी जानना चाहता हूँ, ETV का अगर आप नतीजे देखें तो वो भी काफी वहाँ पे अच्छा एक ग्रोथ देखने को मिल रही है. उस तरह की ग्रोथ आगे भी जारी रह सकती है और उसके इंटीग्रेशन के ऊपर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, absolutely. You see, what's the change happening in the media market in India is that national media hogged the limelight for a long time. Now a lot of the growth is being seen by regional media. If you look at ETV Entertainment, and we now own 50% of ETV Entertainment, we had invested in marketing and programming to up our ratings in those. Our losses have reduced from upwards of 30 crores to about 3 to 4 crores currently. And ETV News, our profits are about 20 crores. So I think ETV, you'll see growth, and much higher growth than you see in our national channels, and profitability is the constant theme across.
चलिए, धन्यवाद साई, आपने समय निकाला और कंपनी के नतीजों पर हमसे बात करी. एक जनरल डिस्क्लोजर दे देता हूँ आपको, CNBC आवाज जो आप चैनल इस समय देख रहे हैं, दरअसल इसके जो ओनर्स हैं वो नेटवर्क 18 ही है. तो चलिए, ये तो बात TV 18 और नेटवर्क 18 के नतीजों की आज भी हम देख रहे हैं शेयर में अच्छी बढ़त देखने को